Attention realtors, want your listings to pop and attract buyers faster? Enter the TidyTex checklist, a game changer for standout showings. Picture this. You've got an open house tomorrow, and chaos is reigning in the property. Fear not. TidyTex, a proud veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio, is here to save the day. Our professional team knows exactly how to prep a home for sale, ensuring it shines like new. From sparkling countertops to fresh-smelling spaces, we help you close deals quicker. Here's a tidy tip. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. This simple act creates an inviting atmosphere, enhancing your home's appeal. Our flexibility means quick turnarounds, so even last-minute requests are no problem. We specialize in making homes look their best before buyer visits, and our attention to detail is unmatched. Don't let dirty spaces jeopardize your sale. Let TidyTex be your secret weapon. Check the video description for more details on our services, website, and how to contact us. Transform your listings into irresistible showcases with TidyTex today.